it's Amelia here, and today I want to show you how to make cool channel art. So I will show you how to do that. So first I want you to see my new channel art. I'm trying to make a Movie Star Planet one right now. It's in the making, and I'm trying to make a new, what's it called? A new channel art, I believe. Yeah, and this is my channel art right now. It's alright. And I want to show you how to make it. So, okay, so I just went to this tab, so now let me get out this so I can tell you what the heck is this website. I need to do this. Oh, this is so ugly. Okay. Okay. Sorry it's taking such a long time, I'm a slow typer. And this is amazing. And I'm going to show you how to save it and stuff. I'll make a test one. And actually, I'm going to make it for somebody that probably really needs it. /design/tool/ Okay, so here is the website. So go to it. I'll link it in the description below so you will know. Or if I can try to, or I can. So I'm going to make a test one for you all. So I'm going to make a test one. So you can import photos. See, like this one. So you can do it like, woohoo. That's a little bit too out. So you can just, gotta zoom in more. So you can do it like, that. And then you go over here to text. You can make it 3D. So see, and then you can write your name or something. Five already has something. I'll just make this one for me and you guys can go edit it. I might want to use it. Okay, see there? And then what you gotta do is you gotta press preview. But if you want further info, then press it. I want further info, I've already looked at it. See, this is what it will look like, but if you click down here, click it. Load. Okay. So click it. That's how it's gonna look on your channel. Yeah, that's how it's gonna look on your channel. So if you want to write that or you want to edit it, then do what you may. So, and then once you want to go back to editing, just press that. And how to save it? You don't press quick snapshot. You gotta press save. And once you press that, there are some choices. It's save to my computer, save to Dropbox, or print it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to normal. There's normal link. Okay, so then you can either save. I'm saving to my computer so I can find it easier. I'm gonna put it in my new folder that I just made for my newest one. And you guys can go on here. It's not a private website or anything. So I'll be making a lot of these for some people. So just I'm gonna put it in a new folder actually. Okay, there. I just unpressed it. Replace it? I'm not sure. Okay, I'll just write it. I'll just get a new folder. Did I save it? Oh no, I didn't save it now. So it's saved down there now, so you're ready to go. Once it says this is the best, this is the best place to be. So, I'm just gonna delete these while I'm here. I'm right here. And yeah, this website is amazing. It works for anything. And now I'm gonna show you how. I need to switch my tab. How to put it on. Most of you may know I'm switching the tab right now. Sorry. Okay, put this tab. So yeah, I'll tell you. So first, you don't click anything. You just go up to here, and there's this little pencil right here. Click it. Wait for it to load. Oh, you gotta press channel art, and it brings you to this. It says channel art, and you gotta upload, or you can use your photos, which I have barely any in there. I don't want to show my face in that, so it's fine. And right here, you can either press how to create channel art, but it doesn't actually bring you to a website where you can do it. So I prefer that. And what you gotta do is, I'm not using that one though. I'm using the other one. So yeah, here. So see, it's uploading. It doesn't have any issues. See, it says auto enhance. So yeah, okay. See, that's how it's gonna look, and that's gonna be perfect. So you're gonna press select, and it's saving, and then it changes. That's how you do it. That's exactly how you do it. So if you just want to go do it, then yeah, I put it in a notepad, which hopefully it's still in the notepad. If it's not, then blah blah blah. I don't know if it is. Okay.